Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy XRP in New York. It's quite easy to get yourself some of the XRP. The processes are really simple. The first step to getting the XRP is logging onto your browser and typing in Phemex.com. So once you're on Phemex.com, please make sure you register or sign up. And you could do this by clicking the register icon at the top. And once you've clicked on register, simply enter an email, that's your current email, your personal email, and enable a password which contains all of this. And once you've done all of this, simply click on the create account option. Now, by doing this, you get the chance to create an account on Phemex and you can begin buying or selling your XRP there. So in order to do this much easier, you could get the Phemex app on Google Play. So click on Google. Once you've selected the Google Play, please make sure you download the Phemex app. Once you've done this, click on the open option and you're logged in. You're not going to be logged in automatically. You're going to have to put in your passcode and your email. Okay, guys, and after you've logged into the Phemex mobile app, please make sure you perform the identity verification. You can get this done by heading over to the icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once there, simply click on the KYC option and simply complete the basic KYC features to be able to get yourself some trading permissions. So once you've completed the KYC verification, head over to the spot trading option, which is just here at the bottom of the screen. So once there, simply click on the icon at the top left. So click on this icon. Once you've selected it, simply search for the XRP and click on XRP USDT. Now, this is our trading pair. And in order to perform the trading, you must have a verified account, as I mentioned earlier. Simply set from the limit to the market price. This helps us buy the XRP using our available USDT. So in order to do this, enter the amount of USDT you wish to trade with. So let's say we've got 30 USDT. We can be getting 58.9 XRP by clicking on Buy XRP in exchange for our available USDT. And if you remember, we bought the USDT via the Buy Crypto option. And you can do this by clicking on Buy Crypto, setting the amount of USDT you wish to buy, and simply buying it from the Phemex app. You could buy the crypto quite easily using any of your payment methods. That's your debit or your credit card. Enter the amount of XRP, the amount of dollars you wish to spend. So let's say $30, which is giving us 29.11 USDT. Click on the buy option, click on Mercurial, and simply enter the KYC and simply read the instructions. It says you'll be redirected to Mercurial, which is a provider for the Phemex app. So by logging on to the Mercurial, you could buy the USDT there. And once you've purchased the USDT there, simply head back to the spot trading menu. And once there, make sure that your USDT is available for use. You can confirm this by heading over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply confirm the existence of your USDT or your cryptocurrency asset. And after you've made sure that your crypto has been deposited, simply head back to the spot trading menu. So guys, that's how you can simply buy the XRP. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.